Creativity, innovation, and success like this doesn't happen by coincidence. As the #1 household appliance company in Germany and Western Europe, and currently one of the top 3 in the world, BSH plans to be the leading innovator in the consumer products industry. And this plan, initiated as early as the year 1996 following growth by multiple acquisitions, is built on the power of Siemens PLM software. The first step was to standardize the company's worldwide development efforts by initiating a PLM strategy across the entire company, connecting diverse disciplines in different locations and in different countries. For BSH to become #1 in a global competitive market, the company must achieve greater productivity, greater teamwork, greater control, greater manageability, and greater success. That company needs the greater powers delivered by Teamcenter.